That was that Dodge. Sure, we really don't need that.
We're gonna put it right here, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna pull it that way. Pull that chain out.
Right here. I was right behind it, but he moved it. He was right behind it, but then he moved it.
Probably want to hook up just this corner to push it over. Get it straight, and then
Yep.
pull it on back.
Yep. I think that'll be wise.
Hey, we'll hook this corner up and pull it straight. Okay.
And then try to pull both of them.
Now you're using it.
He said it's more than a hat rack. Oh. Hear what I told him? I said, you said it's more than a hat rack. He just talking stuff, trying to give you a hard time.
What? Hold that one.
Let's see what we got. This is a Dodge. This container.
That's two-wheel drive.
That's where you at now?
You got four-wheel it. Won't do it. No.
He tried the two-wheel and said it ain't gonna go to two.
Four-wheel.
That was two-wheel. That two-wheel drive, that four-wheel drive is the truth, man. I'm a new believer.
Huh? Yeah, it is. Yeah.
What is it?
Keep going. Yeah. Right there.
It's spinning. It ain't spinning.
Now you probably hook up here with the short chain and just
You need to
straight.
put it on that one. Not that one. Put it on that one and spin this end around.
But once you do that, you pretty much got it here almost.
Yep.
What you think? Can you get under? See what we doing. Getting it in more than one way to kill a bird. We're in a good spot. We was over there, but was having issues. Didn't want the people, or they was complaining about us being there, that it might interfere with their sign, or it probably would. I don't know if they did or not, but we moving it either or. So now we're not in nobody's way. So as you see, we're gonna be right here in the open. Everybody be able to see us when we're advertising. So that's what this is. This is our storefront. We're advertising at Marriott Swap Meet. My guy Devin, he doing this thing. He's the truth. Woo! Now we need to push that back. You almost had it, but this is good.
As far as I want to go.
Okay, and now we gotta do just pull that one over there. We good.
Pull this one over here. You see one of my spaces there. How long is this thing?
20.
20.
Well, actually 19.
Okay, so bring it up to, this is 24. Where's the tape? Okay, it'd be close enough. Here. Stop right here. Alright. Now I want to put it on this one.
Now?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna say it digged it pretty good.
Use the room.
You got a bag back, give him a little room.
Back up a little bit.
Man, I think that's amazing, man, that truck. I'm telling you, I'm getting a Dodge. I'm sold out. Chevy, I haven't seen you do what this Dodge just did yet. I love you to death, but I'm a Dodge man from here on out. I've got to get me a Dodge. I'm tired of being in the bind. But it got to be the diesel, it got to be the Cummins, and it got to be 4-wheel drive, and it got to be at least a 2500 or better. So, that's what we doing. Anybody want to make any donations? I'm open to all donations. So now y'all see why I added those in the front like that, so we could do things like that and it wouldn't be no problem.
That'll give, that'd be 20, actually that'd be, give you 2 foot on each side.
Okay, bet, that's plenty. I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed with this damn truck. I am impressed with this truck, y'all. Like, I am not exaggerating. This man. So now you need to hit this and slide it back over?
Well, you can use backhoe and we'll put a block down there. Yeah, to push it. We put our wood blocks right here. You're not gonna.
You don't want to weld out your truck. Do that. Short chain.
It don't have to go all the way back. Because, I mean, he's got, I mean, there's going to be a bridge behind it, so people can walk behind it even. I mean, it don't have to be all the way back.
It's whatever's good for you. I'm good with whatever's good for you. But if you get here, short chain it, we can be able to snatch the whole thing in.
Well, I can pull it.
The truck right there, though. I don't.
That's what I'm saying. I think he could if it's short chain it, because we ain't got to go that much. He ain't got nothing but, what, 2 feet we trying to pull?
Might get in, yeah.
You might get in there, man.
Down here.
Why don't you bring it back over here and see if we can pull it?
Try it first, yeah.
We can use the arm. You can go over here and set the arm. We'll hook it up to that and let you use the arm.
That arm should mostly do it. That hydraulic should most definitely pull it.
It ought to pull it.
It should pull it.
Like
pull it there. Exactly. When they put that down and you really get into it, it can get it. But just using off that engine muscle, it didn't have it.
Well,
they should have invested in a Dodge on the motor.
If that had 4-wheel drive in it.
Oh yeah, if it had 4-wheel drive, it'd cut down. Yeah, it'd sat down. Cause soon as yours sat down, I seen it. When it squat, it was over with.
Break it.
Oh, it did it like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm impressed. You made me want to go trade my truck in right now. Y'all see what we doing, man. We out here getting everything together, situating and moving around. I ain't having any issues. Everything is still what it is. But it's fun sitting out here messing with them today. Oh yeah, it should do that.
Back.
Yeah, I need to go that way with it.
Yeah. That should be good right there, between.
Right in here. You can't go through it. Okay.
more than one way to skin a cat. Hey, let's take out the bottom instead of the top. Leave that wrapped up. That way it'd be easy. Oh. You leave that wrapped up and just let it go over there and just do that. That took you so long to try to figure that out. Like, don't take that off.
You can't run through it.
Exactly, because it's so small. That's gonna be perfect. Alright, and just also I want to talk to you. Well, I'll wait till I do this video. I want to record us doing this whole thing first. Then I'm done. Just dirt in there. I done had to do that one like that. Once I pulled a little bit and got that dirt out the hole, it kind of came through there. To say it's right there too. Like it's right there. Look like it's right there. Oh, I got a piece of rebar. There you go. All that dirt, that's all it was. Alright. Now let's see if we're getting it in.
Get it on. Have it on.
We're almost done, family. It has been very interesting. I know I'm gonna have some cool comments in the section on why we did this, because I got it dropped off. We could have got it delivered right here, but he didn't really think it was an issue being where it was at. Then once I told him what I spent to get it delivered, he was like, man, we're gonna move it right over here. I ain't gonna hurt it down the slide. I'm like, nah, that's what it's made for. It's a container, you know what I mean? So we getting it to where it needs to go. It'll be here for display. Good area. You'll be able to see us right on top of the hill. Check it out. So it'll be a good spot to see us at. we're almost done. But I'm gonna have to say, man, after seeing what this Dodge did, I want a Dodge. I got to have a Dodge, got to be a Cummins, and they got to be at least a 2500. Like, that's what I want. I can be able to do what I need. Woo. That's it. You perfect. You there. Well, shit, he moved that so fast. He pretty much there, though. That bitch jerked. All right, look. He looking at it from that end. Looks good to me. We might have to get that in over there just a hair. Oh my goodness, that was funny. He said he fucking with it. All right, I'm out, y'all.